Hi everyone, this is Marcia. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another tutorial. The last two tutorials I have been working on these pearls. We first did the necklace. They're pearls, black glass pearls and crystal beads. So we did the necklace first, and I will leave links to the videos in the description box. And then we did the matching bracelet. Well, you know I have to do it. We're going to do a pair of earrings to complete the set. Well, actually, I could do a ring. We'll see. Maybe not. But anyway, I've been playing around with different configurations. I really wanted the pearl on the bottom. I wanted it simple. The pearl and the crystal. And I hope everyone's having a good day. I'm getting right into this, aren't I? That's really what I wanted it to look like, with a little loop. But you see that? It didn't go all the way through, but it slid past that. And that's not good. I'm using sterling silver. The beads came out of a jewelry jar, but I'm using my own findings, and since I'm going to be wearing these, I'm using sterling silver. So sterling silver ball head pin and sterling silver lever back ear wires. Now this was plain. I added that little ball. This is a 3mm, dropsies again, 3mm sterling silver spacer, the little round bead. And if it doesn't come off, if I don't lose it, we'll be good. But I just thought that added a little extra. I can leave it on or take it off. It's, you know, it's not set in stone there. Alrighty. Well, like I said, I couldn't do the pearl at the bottom. Wait a minute, I'm missing a bead here. I'm gonna have to get another bead. So I decided to go with the crystal pearl crystal. And I have the crystal and I have the pearl, and I forgot to get another crystal out. Or I thought I got another crystal out, but apparently I needed one more. So there we go. No, we got plenty of them now. Put those off to the side. And we still have a lot of beads that we could still do different configurations. But anyway, this is what we're going to do today. And maybe I will do a wire wrap. There's a tiny little fly flying around. Like those little fruit flies, driving me crazy. Let's get rid of the cutters for now, because if I pick that up by mistake, we're in trouble. Although I have more head pins, but you don't want to waste it, especially if there's sterling silver. So, okay. Let me put my visors on. And this is what we're working with. I'm going to hold the bottom. I'm going to push this against my finger and hold this because I don't want this to slip. I'm going to put the very tip of my round nose pliers right above that top crystal bead. And then I'm going to bend it over 90 degrees. And then I'm going to go up and start rounding it. Got a little mark on here. Let me see. In this twist, that's why you need to hold it, it twists. So I got a little mark on there. So let's do that. And then we're going to continue to bend it over and around so it looks like this. Okay, focus. So that's what you'll have. and then you just position your round nose pliers back in there, and you start wrapping this piece around the pin. Okay. I'm going to change hands, and I'm going to get my other pliers so I can get this tight. And you just keep bringing it around my end frame. Okay. Underneath here. I'm going to do this 3 times, I think. Let me double check this. Make sure it's going around. I don't want a sloppy loop, and I think I just did a sloppy loop. But let's see. I normally like a simple loop. Yeah, that did not. Since I'm wearing them, that's okay. If I were to sell these, though, that would not be acceptable. It did not wrap. Unless maybe I can turn it. Yeah, it is what it is for now. And I'm going to snip off that very end, and then I'm going to tuck it under. I'm going to try to be a little neater on the other one. I can always do this again, but yeah, I'm not happy with that one. I'll probably do that again. But let's do the other one. Let's see if we can mess that one up too. That's why it is very hard to do these things on camera. You need to really be up close. And I did another one just before this one. It was perfect. Actually, I did one. Well, I think I can show you. I did it with the pearl. That's how come I knew it went through the pearl. So it wasn't until I had already done the wrap that it went through, and then I had to cut it off. But see, that was my wrap. See how pretty it was. It was perfect. That was off camera. This is on camera. Okay. But I guess I will sacrifice a sterling silver head pin to show you how it's done. Okay, let me see if I can do this one. Bring it back up against, or up around itself. And then I'm going to go change position to where I'm going up and down, up and down. And then I end up with something like this. And maybe I should hold it like this and wrap this around. I need another pair. I'm going to put this back in here because I really need to use these. Okay, so that's one wrap, and we got to get it tight. And that's two. Bring it around. Where's my end? Where's my end? There it is. I will probably be doing these again all off camera. Like I say, I don't normally do the wire wraps, but I have done them before, and they are always better than this. But anyway, I've done 3 loops. Yeah, and then snip that excess, and then just tuck that in. You want to tuck that in because Even with the magnifying glasses, I cannot see this thing properly. But anyway, I hope you get the idea. Yeah, this is, why couldn't I have this? That was perfect. Because I did it off camera. This is not good, guys. I am so sorry. Let me see how bad this really is. This is bad. Okay, I stopped the video and I went off and I fixed this one. You can see it's a lot neater now. It wraps around. It looks better. I'm going to attempt to do this one and redeem myself on camera. But I pulled this loose. It was just, I think it kind of got wrapped up instead of down, and that created a problem. So anyway, I've got it. Can you see? I've got it like that, and I'm going to just continue to wrap around 2 or 3 times. And hopefully this will work this time. Okay, I'm going to go up. Well, I'm going to go around and make sure I stay on the bottom. Okay. And one more time. Yeah, come on. Oh, I was going to say, if I'm not in camera, in frame, I should say. Not perfect, but better. I'll take better. So I'm going to snip it. I'll examine these. If I feel they're not quite right, like I said, I'll do them again. But anyway, I'm just going to tuck in that end wire. It's not tucking. It's not tucking. Okay. This is supposed to be fun. Remember, this is supposed to be fun. I'm going to snip a little bit more off of this. And it keeps turning on me. I have no idea where that went. It's going to break. I might have to do this again. But for now, that did turn out a little bit better. Let's get it on the ear wires. I don't think I need the visors for that. Like I said, this was not here. I put this on just as a little extra. I have it open already. Let me pick the good side to face outward. Yep, I'm going to be doing that again. So we flick it on. We put that on and we close it up. And there we have one earring done. Close that. And this one turned out pretty good. Not as good as the first one I did off camera. And this is why I like simple loops. They're simple. But honestly, most people that are looking at your earrings are not wearing magnifying glasses, so they're not going to see it. If there's a tiny flaw. Oh, wait a minute. Wrong side. So there you go. Let's get these things out of the way. And I think I'm done with this. I don't know that I'll do a ring. Don't know what kind of ring I would do if I did. But anyway, I think these are pretty. I'll double check. And like I said, if I feel that wrap is not acceptable, I will do them again. But there are lots of videos out there that shows you how to do a wrap. As a matter of fact, Alina Bird Nest Cafe Jewelry has done a couple on her videos where she's done the wire wrapped, and she does them a lot better than me, and you might want to check her out, or just look it up, and there's, like I said, there's lots of tutorials that will show you how to do that. But we're done. This is it. This is the complete set, and I'll have to think of something else to do on the next one. But until then, you all take care, and hopefully I will see you on that next one. Just remember, have fun with this. Things are going to happen, and the more you do it, like I say, I don't do the wire wrapped that often, but the more you do it, the more you get the feel for how to do it, and it becomes much easier. So anyway, this is all about repurposing, not necessarily the best techniques, but I repurposed the beads from a jewelry jar, and that's what it's all about. Just reuse, create, make something. Okay, after I ended this video, I went back and I tweaked these just a little bit, and I wanted to show you that they did turn out pretty good. I've got 3 wraps on them there, and these are the same ones. I did not have to change them out, and it's just the end in the back where I did my last wrap. There was still a little bit too much, so I snipped a little bit off and tucked it back into itself, and these are fine. These are perfectly wearable. Like I said, it's more about repurposing than the technique here. Of course, if you're going to do something, and I'm going to show you how to do something, you're going to want to see how it's done, right? And you want it done right. Just practice. You'll get the hang of it. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. They turned out pretty good. I will wear them. So until that next video, you all take care. Bye-bye.